Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a Trust wallet using recovery phrases. If you've lost access to your Trust wallet, for example, you have changed your phone number, you uninstalled the app or your device crashed, you can recover it only if you have your recovery phrases. So let's go ahead and do it. First of all, launch open the Trust Wallet application and from the main welcome screen, click on I already have a wallet. On the next page, enter your passcode you want to use to unlock your wallet, create a new passcode, and confirm the passcode by retyping it again. On the next page, you can select your wallets that you want to recover. Since I want to recover using my secret phrases, I'm going to tap on secret phrases. You can also recover using your private key, iCloud backup, view only wallet, and so on. I'm just going to click on secret phrases here since I have backed up my secret phrases. If you've done the same, then do this and then click on all of these square boxes over here and click continue. On the next page, select your network. And then on the next page, you can go ahead and give a name to your wallet and then enter the secret phrases in the correct order from your backup. After typing down the recovery phrases, click on Restore Wallet. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to gain access back to your Trust wallet through recovery phrases. After you are done with the import, you should see your wallet address and balances right on the home page. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.